Yo, what is up, guys? And then today we're gonna be playing Gorilla Royale again, but we can only use pistols. I don't think anybody has made a pistols only challenge in Gorilla Royale, so I think I'm the first person to do it. I don't know though, but I might. So we're doing the pistols only challenge. It can be any rarity, just only pistols. It can be either of the two pistols. Like there's one type of pistol. There's two types of pistols. So we can do any rarity, and my goal is to get one win. Let's get. Okay, my door's open, so let's just get. Okay, so what is that boy doing? I'll do another round after this. Nice. I'm gonna keep that. Okay, I'm gonna do another round because it's only 3 people. It's not that hard to get pistol. So I don't think I'm gonna be worried about it.
Oh god no, I'm just trying to find bunnies, bro. I'm just trying to find bunnies, I'm being honest. Your friend's gonna sue you, bro. He's trying to help me too.
There, I killed him. Okay, just one more to go. I'm gonna play another round because there's only 2 pistols. Oh, another one. Oh, I forgot. I mean, the other version of this one, not the banana, but the other one. I forgot to put the banana as a pistol. And yes, all 3 of these are pistols. Because bananas are pistols. I forgot about it. I see him. I see the last guy. Hey, he's about to come for me. I know it. Oh yeah, okay.
That's what you get, bro.
Alright.
GG's.
Okay,
Ciao!
my door. So.
Yeah, ti spiego. Mio amico è cappolato. O dammi una mano.
Okay, I think that guy's like the easiest guy to do. I don't think we're like trying to get weapons. Oh, bomb. We're not allowed to use bomb. We're not. I wish we were, bro. I wish we were allowed. Meds. We're allowed to take meds though. Not stupid AR ammo. I want a pistol. Laggy. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Alright, I'm just gonna go. That's a bunny. Oh, pistol. Okay. That's no ammo. Oh, yes. That was nice. I'll allow shield, but I don't think I'm gonna need one. Oh my god. Dude. I'm putting that underground. There we go. Dude, I wish I could take that. Oh. Oh, excuse me there. Dog. Hey, bro, I'm doing a challenge.
Crabby here. Sorry, bro. I cannot hit shots.
Dude, I'm doing a challenge. Cuz, bro, get up. Y'all is teaming on
This is
me.
revenge to you. This guy's third party. I'm just gonna kill him instead of you right now. That's just too evil. I'm getting revenge on you, buddy.
Dog, there's
Dude,
the two teamers, bro.
you 2-year-old. Third party. Nah.
Yeah, you third
party.
party. Sorry.
Hey, Crabster, this one's for your challenge.
Alright, I'm just gonna end it there, guys. Hope you had a great time watching. Like, subscribe, comment a thumbs up if you liked the video. Bye.